this event is going to be incredibly educational. If you're going to be looking towards succession planning in the near future, this is going to take all the educational information that you need and package it into your specific plan. So it's catered around you, and it's going to be an incredibly time-effective way to get this information. So for the busy attorney, this is going to be the right kind of program to get that succession plan in place and to start to work towards that implementation process. We're going to be providing those resources and everything that you need at the event in a time-friendly way and also a cost-effective way so that you can experience those benefits as quickly as possible.